Hello, welcome to Paul's Take, and this is my first little adventure in my new-to-me 2012 Jeep Liberty. So initially, I was going to do this video on me going off-roading, but I think what's more impressive on this video, what I learned, was the camera that I'm using actually is my cell phone, which is a relatively new phone, which I haven't done a review on yet, but it's called the Motorola Action, I don't know, something with action. But look how great, you will see not right now, but watch the footage of me going off-roading and how smooth, how steady this camera is. I was actually taken off guard. Like I said, this is supposed to be my video about going off-roading, but I think I might have to make it two videos in one, whereas me cruising around, exploring the neighborhood, trying to get a feel for the new Jeep Liberty, how it does off-roading. But I'm not going to talk throughout this video. I'm just going to let you watch it and enjoy it. All right, well, I just want to give you a heads up of what I'm doing, just cruising around on this gorgeous night, which is about ready to rain any moment. And I'm trying to see if I can go out there before it starts raining, or if I get caught in the rain and get stuck in the mud. That's kind of the excitement of it. So enjoy the rest of this film. Thanks for watching all the way through, and if you haven't hit like, subscribe, please do so. I'll do more videos of me going off-roading. This is my first trip off-roading, but I didn't even get a chance to put it in four-wheel drive. So this whole trip was on two-wheel drive. And it wasn't anything really challenging, but I got a feel for how it drove off-roading, and what a beautiful night. Look at this beautiful night, the great skies. And it's getting dark, so I get to see how my headlights do in the dark. In the off-road. Anyhow, like I said, thanks for watching Paul's Take, and this is my take, or my, just a video of me going off-roading. Thanks for watching Paul's Take. And look what I found. Just driving around, didn't even know it was here, around the corner from where I'm at right now, is I'll let you see for yourself. It was a little secret code. And I found, look at this, check this out. Didn't even know this is here. A secret water. That's right. Look at that. I could have hit him here for years. Didn't even know it was here. Thanks to my Jeep Liberty and down. It's not. Interesting. I found a creek. I like the knuckles.